In this video, I want to demonstrate how to shorten up this code by using a subprogram. So here at each one of our 3 step overs, we have 2 depth cuts. And the code is exactly the same. So again, perfect opportunity to put this into a subprogram. To do that, I'm going to select everything above the step down to depth here, up to this depth cut, and I'm going to cut it. And that's going to become my subprogram. So I'll scroll down to my M30. And I'll push enter. Get a couple of spaces and I'll paste it here. Now I know it has to end with an M99, so I'll put the M99 in. And then I'll come up here and I need to give it a name. So I'm going to call it O1234. And then I'm going to give it a description. I'll just call it rough cut 1. So now I know I want 01234. I'm going to copy that because I have no memory. Scroll back up to where I cut it from, right here. And again, to call the subprogram, I'm going to type M98 and then I'll paste that. But I don't call my subprograms with the letter O, I call them with the P, so I'll put a P here. Now, where I ended this first step down is slightly different than this, but that's okay. I'm also going to take this section here up to here, and I'm going to replace it with the subprogram call. So I'm going to put M98P1234, and let's refresh the plot and see how that looks. We notice no real change, and we shouldn't if we did it right. But what we do notice is the main program significantly shorter, and this code I only had to type once, which greatly decreases my chance of making an error. And also makes me faster at the machine when I first set it up because I only have to verify it's correct. So I'm going to play this code. And we can see it jumps into the subprogram, back out, and keeps going. So I'll stop it there. And now I need to do the same thing for these 2 step overs. And now I've shortened up my coding significantly, and I'm just calling the subprogram each time. In the next video, we'll look at how to repeat the subprogram and make it work for both depth cuts.